In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding the Go post-secondary discount to your Presto card, a crucial step for students looking to save on travel expenses. By adding this discount, students can save up to 40% on their transportation costs, making it particularly valuable for those attending school, college, or university. To access the discount, simply present your student ID or government-issued card to customer service, and they will apply the discount for you. If you're between the ages of 13 and 19, select the appropriate option on the Go Transit website, known as Go Transit Fares. Once there, choose the I'm a Student option, where you'll find detailed information about the discount, including the 40% savings on full ticket prices. Click on Apply Now to begin the process, which will redirect you to the Student Idaho website. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and address, and confirm your consent to use your personal information. Complete the verification process, and within a few minutes or hours, you'll receive a confirmation email allowing you to apply the discount and start saving. I hope you find this tutorial helpful for maximizing your savings on transportation costs as a student.